Paying with Visa card on Pandabuy is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to show you how to pay with your Visa card in Pandabuy. Suppose I'm just going to go to a product list. Suppose I want to buy this product. I'm just going to click on the link, obviously. And what it will do is it will take me to the Pandabuy's website. Now what do I have to do is I'm going to scroll down, and after selecting the category and size, you're going to have to click on agreed, and then I'm going to click on buy now. What it will do is it will take me to the checkout page. I'm just going to click I have read and agreed and submit order. Now they will take me to the payment section or checkout part of the purchase. Now here what you have to do is you have to select this credit card and you have to click on confirm payment, and there you guys can see you guys can add your Visa card number, card holder names, expire months, and the details of your card. So that's pretty much it. That's how we do it. Hope you guys found this video helpful.